today in my YouTube video, by the way, sorry I haven't uploaded for a while, I've been very busy. Today we're going to be eating this, and it's basically this Vimto candy floss, really cool, and I've heard of it, so we're going to try it. Sorry if my camera's a bit bad, the internet here is a bit scrappy, like my granny's. It's very soft. Okay. Tastes like real Vimto. By the way, if you think I'm lying, yeah, I'll just said it. Very good actually. Pretty sweet. I really like it. Yeah, that was my review on Vimto candy floss. My granddad's screaming, he's watching football. Yeah, yeah, hope you liked it. Bye bye.